Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty Name. So let's just get right into this video. I'm starting off with a pre-stretched hair, pre-stretched or a stretched, whichever one. I'm just starting off with hair that has already been stretched. English is hard, I beg. And I'm doing this because it's going to be much easier for me to flat twist my hair, unlike when I do it with a shrunken hair. Is it shrunken hair or a hair with shrinkage? You get my point. So starting off, we are just going to start by demarcating lines or parting our hair basically. And with the way this style is, you want to make a, should I call it a zigzag pattern, or just something that's going to intertwine. If that's English, I don't know what's wrong with my English today, please manage my English. But it's just going to not start the usual way a cornrow is meant to start. So you're just going to follow through with this step, and I'm going to be using Shine and Jam just to make my hair shine a bit. Although this Shine and Jam actually dissolves into my hair, it melts into my hair like maybe 2 or 5 minutes after I've applied it, but temporarily just give it shine that I need. So we're just going to start off by flat twisting the hair. Well, from the title of the video, it's a flat twist. And if you don't know how to flat twist your hair, I have a video, a tutorial on my channel. I'm going to be dropping the link above here, so just click on it. I explained well how to flat twist your hair using 2 different methods. So if you don't want to use this present method I'm using, this method you're seeing on your screen right now, there's another method you can use to get a perfect flat twist. So all you just need to do is watch the video and you'll be fine. And if you don't get it the first time you're watching, rewatch again till you get it, and have the mindset that yes, you can do it. It's not that difficult, but it's just basically using your thumb and your index finger. Yeah, I think that's index. Yeah, I think it's your index. Yeah, your thumb and your index finger to grab the hair and exchange with the other parts of the hair. Just watch the video. It's self-explanatory, and yes, I gave enough juice and enough details to how to flat twist your hair in that video. So I'm just going to be repeating this same step on the other part of my hair, but this time around I'm going to be starting off I don't know how to explain this, but I know that you can see what I'm doing. It's visible enough, and I feel like even without this voiceover you should be able to get the style perfectly. So this is just what the flat twist is going to be looking like. Nothing too serious, nothing too much. We're just going to keep repeating this step all over until I'm done flat twisting all of my hair basically. But just to get that shine and to get that that's what's the English? Hey, English today has failed me. Wow. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Just to make the hair look good, just use a little gel, not too much. And I would advise you use maybe Shine and Jam, because using Eco Styler for this kind of style would definitely give me flakes. Will give me that brown flakes like 2 days after. But this Shine and Jam doesn't give me flakes. It just dissolves into my hair, and it lasts actually, except for the fact that I cannot lay edges with it, but it's not that bad. So we're just going to be doing this over and over and over again till we exhaust all the parts of the hair. And you can decide to add your own juice, add your own serere to the hairstyle. You basically don't have to flat twist all of your hair the way I did. You can want to add some juice, some modifications to your own, but just make sure that it's still a protective style at the end of the day, because that's the main essence of doing this style, to protect the tips, to protect the scalp, to protect a lot of things basically, and to cause hair growth. So just make sure that whatever modification you apply is still protecting your hair strands, and you're good to go. So when I want to flat twist my hair, I actually use two methods. So you end up seeing two different types of flat twist on my hair, but almost looking alike. When I'm weaving the front side of my hair, I use the first method, which is the one you're seeing on your screen. But when I get to the back part of my hair, the rear end, I use the second method because I find it easier, because I cannot, take a mirror to the back of my hair to see what I'm doing. So the second method helps to, get the perfect flat twist while I'm making my hair. So you just need to watch that video or see what I'm doing step by step, and you'll be good. So just basically repeat these steps and these patterns all over your hair, and that's it. So I decided to spice up the style with some beads and some hair accessories, and this style did not even take me up to 30 minutes to get done with, and I love it. It looks good on me. I know, right? It looks good. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out the style. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Love you guys. Bye.